Good day. Goeiedag. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope you are well. Vandag se woorde wat ons gaan oefen, hou verband met die tema groente. Today's words we're going to practice relates to the theme vegetables. Nou, ons gaan hierdie 2 keer doen en jy herhaal die woorde na my. Now we're going to do this twice and you say the words after me. Are you ready? Okay. Aardappel, ui, pampoen, wortel, ertjies, well done, baie mooi. We're going to do it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. Aardappel, ui, pampoen, wortel, ertjies, baie mooi. Well done. Ek hoop jy het 'n lekker dag verder. I hope you have a lovely day further. Totsiens.